Hi everyone, this is Trendsetters Academy. So if you really want to learn more things about Trendsetters or how their developers are developing the applications and how they're creating some sort of web applications or server-side coding, everything about the development. So for this you must click on the subscribe button for this. I hope so. Let's come back to the lecture. Hi everyone, I'm Mohammed Bilal and you're watching Trendsetters Academy. So do you really want to know how you are sending the message to a user? Do you want to know that what is the code behind the send button? You are texting some friend and you are saying, oh, I must know what is the code behind this thing. So here today in this lecture I will tell you what really the code behind this send button. Like you are sending a message to your friend and what is the thing behind there. So can you imagine there is just a single line of code there present and just a single line. So let's see how this thing is working. So let's start the lecture here. Here's the thing here. What I do here, I just created a simple screen here just with a two edit text fields. First for the number and second is for the text, whatever the message you want to type. So here you are seeing what I really do here is I just created a layout for my numbers. Here is match parent width and height is wrap content, and I just enter a hint like what really the hint is. You must write the number there and the input type is number. So the pad whatever appears is the number pad. Okay, keyboard pad is not here. So this is the thing here, and there's some layouts are present like how you want to like fit this thing here. So these things are available. So this is the next thing, edit text field here, and this is about edit text. And what I do here, I just change the width about match parent and the height is 400 pixels, and I set this gravity to top. So you must know about this gravity. Like if I change this into bottom, so what it happened here is this text will go down. Okay, so this text will go down and it must be on the top as the text appears. It's up to you how you want to add. Okay, so there is an input type text multiple lines. So what you do here is it just adds a multiple lines here. Okay, so it's adding a multiple lines. So whatever the code is, whatever the text you want to write an essay or whatever, a single line of text, so you can enter it here. So here is the edit text field here. You're saying okay, so let's go towards the send button. I just created a simple send button here and just created a method on click message send. So the thing is here, the magic happens here, like when you click on the send button. So you are seeing here when you click on this send button, what it happens when you enter number, whatever the number you entered, this message is sent. So let's see. So the magic happens here is okay, this is the single line of code where this magic happens. That's pretty awesome. So you just must remember, about this SMS manager. What really SMS manager is, it's like you just get a common example about a manager of a hotel, or if you want to take a permission, so what you do, you go towards the manager. Okay, so it's like to do some party. So what you do, you have to get permission from manager. Okay, if the manager allow, only then you are allowed to do some sort of party there. Okay, so the same example is here. SMS manager is like you are getting permission from this manager. Like you are saying that I want to send message on this number, whatever the number is present in my text field. So the first parameter here is the number parameter. Okay, so just remember this thing. The second is the source address. We are not here, it's not about this lecture, like I'm putting this null. Okay, and the third here is the message, what really the message is. Okay, you must remember the third parameter is the message. Here the first parameter is about number, the third parameter is about message, and the other two parameters are null. Okay, it's the set intent and delivery intent. Okay, there are a bundle of codes available there and you will find out there are messy things there, but just remember it's just 2 lines of code. So I think that's quite pretty awesome. Like you must run this code and you will see how this thing is working. And just remember the one thing here, the most important thing is uses permission. That you are allowing your cell phone for this permissions. Okay, so you're allowing this code for access your messages and send the SMS. Okay, so this is all about this thing. This is all about sending message. This is pretty awesome and this is quite so simple. So don't forget to subscribe and just go on with the thing. And I'm sure we will do a better thing in future. We will develop an awesome application there. So I'm sure we'll do a pretty awesome thing. So just create an awesome layout. Okay, just create an awesome layout and just add this simple line of code, and that's pretty awesome. Okay, so I hope for the better questions. For I hope for the better experience. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Goodbye.